You've taken the time to add content to your library and set up some time slots on your schedule. But how the heck do you know what's about to send out to each of your accounts? That's going to be established in the Queue tab, which is sandwiched between the library and the schedule from your upper navigation menu bar here. When you come to the queue, you'll notice it's a 2-week view, giving you the date as well as the posts that are getting ready to send out. You can always filter the queue with these drop-down menus over here on the left if you'd like to see what's going out from a certain category or to a certain account. You can always skip posts in the queue as well using this little fast forward button. That will send the post to the end of the line in the category and pull in the next post in the rotation. If you ever want to stop all automation, the queue is where you do this. Simply click to pause the queue and unpause the queue when you'd like to reestablish your posting schedule. If the queue is paused, no automation will happen from Edgar. The queue is live updating as well. Every time you add a post or you add a time slot, Edgar will reflect these changes in your queue. This means as you're getting started right off the bat, you don't need to overwhelm yourself getting all of your content into Edgar at once. You can do something like set a schedule to add, say, 10 posts to each category in the library. You can then place that category on your schedule twice, and you'll know that you will have a fresh month's worth of content by looking in the queue. This strategy really frees up your time to create more content in your library throughout the month. Once you build up your library more, you can then always go back and add more time slots for a category on your schedule, or use that data you find in your history tab in Edgar to inform you which categories are doing the best for your social media following to help drive your content creation strategy and add more of this type of content to your library and these categories to your schedule. Speaking of adding more content to the library, let's take a couple more ways of adding content and peek into the import tab in our next lesson. See you in a minute.